and welcome to our mobile video on how to see a map of your accounts overlaid with your route. You know your accounts, you know your territory, but you have a cancel meeting and 20 minutes free. Understanding what accounts are nearby is important. Being able to just overview all of your customers in a single view can give you a very different perspective. Maybe you are planning next month's visits and want to see where you could go. Is there a cluster of customers I have not seen in a month? It also gives you a great tool to plan around an existing single visit. How can you get more from that trip to justify it and get more from just a single customer meeting when you are already on the road? Having an easy to access interactive view of all of your customers in a single view can give you a very different perspective and help you make quicker, smarter decisions. To see your other accounts that are near to your route, open up an existing route by going to your calendar view, selecting day and selecting view. When the list view opens, select map view. Once in the map view, you can turn on your other data points by selecting the closed eye icon in the top right hand corner of your screen. Your other data points will then display. Thank you for watching our mobile video. If you have any questions, you can contact us by emailing help@espatial.com or by selecting the chat button at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen.